So I'm going to try this Wizards Mist and Shine for the first time. It's a small bottle, but it was $10.90. Was it $10.29? I'll give it a shot. Kind of misty. Let it sit for a little bit. Let's see if we can let it shine. I don't know if I was supposed to put it on the windshield, but I did. And it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'll buff it a little bit. That looks pretty good for $10. Take a look. It's Wizards Mist and Shine. Ride safe, guys.